Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you the items that I got from the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale, as well as a few other items from different stores.
So until then, just wait.
If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, mostly handbags. I love those a lot, but if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like, and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So, I wasn't actually gonna film this video because I didn't get very many things from the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. No, I only got 3 things, but I have accumulated a couple of other things just from other places. So I thought that I would just kind of do like a collective haul, show you what I got from the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale, and then just show you what I have picked up from other places as well. So let's just start with the Nordstrom sale because I'm sure that's why you guys are here. It's in the thumbnail, so it's in the title, so let's go with that first. And of course, all links will be in the description as well if you wanted to shop. I do not think that the sale from Nordstrom is still going on. Maybe it is. I'm honestly not sure. Yeah, everything will be linked in the description as long as I can find it. And this will be a try-on haul as well. So everything that I show you today, I will be trying on in a separate clip. First thing that I picked up, you saw these in my Nordstrom video, the one that I was like, what am I gonna get? Kind of thing, and I did pick these up. I really like these already. I did wear them the other day. These are from a brand called BCB Generation, and they are these like square-toed, braided, black braided heeled sandals, and there's no back strap or anything, so you're free to move your foot however you want, I guess. I really like these. I did wear them already. I wore them yesterday and they were really comfortable. They fit really well. I got a women's 8.5 because I'm usually between like a 8, 8.5, sometimes a 9, depending on if the brand runs small. But I think an 8.5 is normally my sweet spot. And they're really nice. They were, I think, on sale for like $69 or 60 something like that. I already have a pair that look relatively similar to these. So I like these a lot. These ones are in like a beigey color, and I wanted to get these other ones in black. So I would kind of have best of both worlds. Next up, another pair of shoes that I did get that actually have not arrived yet. It's kind of insane. I feel like my package got lost, and I don't know why they didn't ship with these ones that I just showed you, but they didn't. I don't know what happened to them, but they are the ones also that I talked about in my Nordstrom video. They did actually come back in stock in my size, believe it or not. I'll just put a picture of them right here, and I guess I'll just show them to you whenever they arrive. I did get them in black, and they look really, really nice. Look at that. I'm super excited for these. I really hope that they arrive soon because I want to be able to wear them. I like them a lot. I don't know where I'm gonna wear them because I don't really go anywhere, but I still just kind of want to have them. And then the last thing that I got in the Nordstrom sale was, of course, another Barefoot Dreams blanket. I did actually get this one for my husband, and I got it in like this, I think it's black. Like, I want to say it's just like a black one. Yeah, it was just the black color. Like this one right here, and he felt mine, like the one that I have on the couch, and he was like, oh my god, this is amazing. So I was like, let me just get you a Barefoot Dreams blanket from the sale while I'm at it, you know. So he's actually currently using that. It's like his favorite thing to do in the morning. He goes into his man cave, he has his coffee, and he cuddles up with his blanket, and it's just really funny. Don't have it here to show, but you've seen a Barefoot Dreams blanket. It looks literally the exact same, except the one that I have in white, his is in black, and he's really liking it so far. He's used it like every day since he got it, so I'm really glad he is liking it. Those are all the things that I got from the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. I know that I didn't get very many things from the sale just because, I don't know, I don't just want to buy too many things that I didn't need because, I mean, honestly, this sale, did I need anything from this sale? No. But I still wanted to get a couple of things. But going forward, these are some things that I wanted to show that I have gotten in recently. And yeah, they're from different places. First up, I got these 3 kind of cropped t-shirts. I've got 3 of them just in like basic colors because I really wanted to get just like some really nice basics, like staples for my wardrobe. And I feel like I can wear these with literally everything. And these are by a brand called Cuts. I actually saw them, I think Alyssa Lenore was sponsored by them. So I definitely did get influenced by her when it came to these, but then I looked at them and I was like, man, that actually does look nice. I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe, and it's just really simple. Like if I didn't really know what to wear, I could just wear any of these with my Polo Ralph Lauren pants. I could wear any of these with my, you know, nice jeans or anything like that. I mean, these are just very staple pieces and you can wear them with anything, and pretty much whatever you put with them is gonna be like a nice outfit. I got all of these in a size medium because I didn't know. I probably should have gotten a small. I need to stop second guessing myself when it comes to sizing because I know that I'm a size 4. I am a size 4 and that's what I need to start getting. It's just, I never know sometimes because I do have like a bigger chest, and sometimes if I get a size small, then like if I wear a bra with it, then it's like cropped up to here or something, and then if I lift my arms up you can see my entire boobs. It's insane. So when it comes to like crop tops, I get a little scared, and they're still nice. I do wear them pretty often actually. I mean, they've become some pieces that I wear just whenever I just need to put something on and everything looks good with it. Or this one in my last video that was posted on Monday, if you saw that. I'll have it linked down below as well if you haven't seen the living room transformation. Living room / dining room transformation. But yeah, I got these. Next up, I got a sweater. Is it a Kenzie haul video without a sweater? This, I didn't get it from Totem this time. Are you kidding me? Like, praise the Lord, hallelujah, I did not buy another Totem sweater, but I did buy this one. And you've probably seen it literally in almost all of my videos as of late. I've been wearing this sweater so much. It is by a brand called Mayfair Group, and I got it in a medium large, and it says empathy on it, and then on the sleeve right here it says always. Can you see that? And I love this crew neck. It is so beautiful. And as you know, I've been obsessed with the color green this summer, y'all. I really have been liking the color green. It just looks really nice. It's very long. I could wear it as a t-shirt dress if I wanted to, but it's like right at the cusp of being too short. Like if a gust of wind or something, you know, caught me off guard, you would see my entire ass. But I do just wear like some really short biker shorts with it, and it's just so cute for the summertime. So I do love this crew neck. And then also last night I did order another crew neck that I'm so excited about. I will be showing it when I get it, but I thought that I would just go ahead and put it in this haul. But I got one from Mad Happy right here. They recently just came out with like a summer collection, and I really loved this crew neck. It just looks so nice. It says Mad Happy on the front, and then it has like a little mountain kind of scenery, it looks like, and then it says Local Optimist. And there was another one that I was kind of eyeing from Mad Happy as well that just said Mad Happy across the front and Local Optimist, but I'm so glad that I waited because I love the design of this crew neck more than the other crew neck. So I did get it in the white or like cream color. They call it tofu, but I also really love the black. It looks so cool. So that should be coming in relatively soon, and I'll show you when I get that. Only 2 more things. I've got these jeans right here from Veronica Beard. I actually got 2 pairs of these. So I was like on the hunt for these jeans because I have just been seeing them a lot of places on people that I follow and stuff, and I thought they looked so nice. So they were completely sold out of 27s and 26s on Nordstrom, on Saks, Fifth Avenue, on Neiman Marcus. They were just sold out. So I did pick up a size 28 before just to see if I was able to, like, I don't know, just to see, because I'm not a size 28. I know I'm not. I'm between a 26 and a 27 on jeans, but I was just like, maybe I can belt it. It'll be fine. Maybe I can belt it. No. It was a massive. They were falling off of me, and then I tried to belt it, and it looked ridiculous. So I ended up sending those back, and then just one day out of the blue, I happened to check the Saks Fifth Avenue app, and I saw that there was a 126, and I bought this so fast. And it came like, I bought it one day, and I got it the next day, which is kind of insane. It must have just been really close to me for some reason, but Yeah, I love these so much. So these are a 26 and they do still fit like the tiniest bit big, but I definitely would not go down to a 25 because then I feel like the inseam would be too short. But I love these jeans. They're such good quality. They're so nice and I'm obsessed with these. So yeah, I'm really liking these a lot. And my last item, oh no, I've got another item. I completely forgot. I'm so sorry. I forgot I have one more shoe item. I'll show you this first and then I'll do the last shoe item. So this right here is this, oh my God, incredible, stunning, beautiful, immaculate Scanlan Theodore button down in this amazing emerald green color. I love this top so much. Again, green, man. I've just been obsessed with green recently and I love this button down so much. You've probably already seen this in other videos. I mean, I did one of my videos last week was 5 ways to style a classic flap. I wore this, so I had already showed it before hauling it, so you've already seen it, but it's just amazing. It is such a beautiful, stunning color, and this is my first Scanlan Theodore piece. She is pretty expensive, but I think she's worth it. I do want to get more of these in the future, and there's also like other things like sets. Sets are so in right now, you guys, like from Petite the brand, Scanlan Theodore. I think they have matching like shorts for this as well, but I already have one green set. It's like a dark green set, and then I just wanted to get a bright green top because I don't know, I didn't want it to be too loud, but I love this so much and I want to get other colors in this as well. It's just stunning. Okay, in my last item that I completely forgot to show, and I'm so sorry, but I'm so excited for these. These were on back order and I finally got them. They actually came earlier than they were supposed to, which I'm very happy about. I won't complain. I finally picked up some of the mini, like the classic mini Uggs for us to like to wear as like house shoes, and you guys, these are amazing. I love these so much. They're so comfy. I got these in an 8.5. 8.5, and they are so nice. These are in the color chestnut, which I guess is like the most popular color because every single size was sold out. Like I would have to go back and like every couple days refresh the page, or every day to be honest. I would go back and see if they had an 8.5 in stock, and they did eventually, but it was on back order. So I ordered these at like the beginning of July and I got them maybe like a week ago. So they weren't supposed to come until August, but I'm really glad that I got them early. These are just gonna be my go-to everyday house shoes, just like around the apartment and stuff. And then like maybe like during the fall and winter time, if I want to pop out to the store, I could wear these. Do people wear Uggs like casually? I'm not sure. I know a lot of people wear them as house shoes, but do people wear Uggs like out like they would wear Crocs? Like I know a lot of people hate Crocs, people love Crocs, and people love to hate and hate to love Crocs. It's just a lot of everything. Do people feel that same way with Uggs? Like I remember like when I was in high school, Uggs were like super popular, and I had like the boot, like the Ugg boot. You know, that you would like tuck into jeans and stuff, and then that became super out of style. But these ones, I guess, are more in fashion. I have no idea. I just think they're really cute for like a nice house shoe, or maybe just like popping out to Target or something during the winter time. You guys, that has been the items that I picked up from the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale and the other collective items here that I have to show you. I really hope that you did enjoy this video. Please let me know in the comments what was your favorite thing that I showed today. For the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale, let me also know if you got anything from that as well. Just let me know everything that you picked up. Just let me know anything in the comments because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you again so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then go ahead and click a big like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. And be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!